जी friends, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine. Okay, let's start to define this Fusion 360. Today we learn how to use Fusion 360 and this command. This software Autodesk Fusion 360. Today we learn how to create LED bulb in Fusion 360 and how we can use Fusion 360 command etc. Okay. Here you can see on your screen Fusion 360 software. It's also used this software Fusion 360 also used for technical objects. You can easily to create different technical objects like different parts as you can see on your screen LED bulb. Now today we learn how to create LED bulb in Fusion 360. Okay, uh, it's very beautiful simple tutorial. Okay, let's start to create from new file, new design. Okay, I want to say something. If you like this object, these video tutorials, you should like my page and like this. If you have any questions about this, how to use a command, how any command I used, simply send me a message, comment below. I will give each answer. If I've answered each of every comments. Okay, thanks to be here. Okay, let's start from new file. Now select plane where you want to create an object. Okay, go here. I want to use command cylinder. Where you want to use here this plane and this plane. Now you have used bottom plane here and 30 millimeter give it dimension. Okay, how much length you want to create here you can see as separate. Okay, height give it height. You can change here diameter and diameter change and height you can change. Select plane. Okay, here you can give it height 40 mm. Okay, you can see here 40 mm 30 mm this diameter and select new body because it's first object our. So select new body. We are creating an LED bulb in Fusion 360. How we use Fusion 360. Okay, now second go here origin and select XY. Okay, and sketch. Simply select line and from here to give it 20 mm length. Okay, and select this line, make it for construction. Okay, you can see here dotted line construction line and select OK. Here again go create and select a sphere. Have we making a bulb all LED bulb LED light. Okay, and give it 61 millimeter diameter and keep it join. Okay, join here. Okay, now simply LED bulb you can see here. You can fillet command, use a fillet here and 45 mm. Okay, you can see a simple LED bulb body generated. Again choose fillet and select this under part and give it 5 mm. Okay, here now again go here, select a cylinder and select this plane from center to this end. Okay, here first of all select this a new body because we are creating a new body. This a separate upper body separated and this body will be separate. Okay, height 15 mm, give it 15 mm height and here select OK. Okay, now second thing to create second thing to create are threads on this part. Okay, go create here and select threads command. Select the face where you want to create thread. Okay, go modelette and unselect this because we don't want to create all the body full length. Don't want we use offset 3 mm, use offset 3 mm. Okay, now you can see here 3 millimeter offset. Okay, length 10 mm, everything right hand thread 6G, class 6G design, M20 multiplier 2.5, size 220 mm. Everything's okay over here. Simply select OK. Now modify again, go to chamfer, select chamfer command and select this face. For chamfer, give it 3 mm. Okay, here. Again go to fillet and now this time select this face and give it 2 mm filleted. Okay. Now again go to create cylinder, select cylinder and select this face from center to this end. Okay, here how much we want to length, create 2 mm. Okay, now again go modify and select chamfer, select this face and give it 2 mm. Okay, here simply LED bulb created. We are learning how to create a simple LED bulb in Fusion 360. Now today we use different commands like fillet, chamfer, extrude and sphere, cylinder, thread command used in Fusion 360. I hope you learn different things. Okay, one thing is missed here, that's adding material. For looks it beautiful looking, for looking it's beautiful, so we use some material, we add some material to these two bodies. Now you can see here how much we have bodies, two bodies, one upper bodies and one this second body, two bodies we have. Okay, how much sketch we created? Just one sketch, two sketch created. Okay, here right click and you can see appearance, select appearance. Here you can see different materials. Okay, here metal, liquid, mirror, other, paint, plastic. Select plastic and select this one and drag it here. Okay, not to the second body. Okay, still it's I think fine. Okay, we will add okay, Control Z. Okay, here again right click, appearance, just one body, not the second. Select. Okay, now this time okay, plastic. Okay, now metal. For the second object, aluminium. Okay, now this time for second object use metal. And now you can change the color here. Okay, and also you can also change from here which color you want to use for your bulb. Okay, here done. Okay, close this, and now this time we'll simply create a copy of this object. So select this, move and copy. Okay, here select bodies, this one body and second. You can see here two bodies selected here, bodies. Now create a copy, select this, create a copy. Okay, here and rotate. Okay, here okay, now add material to this body. Right click, appearance, go to appearance, here a menu open, and this time we use these materials on the first body, so now this time we use some new materials for the second object. Okay, go here, select plastic, add this material to this body. Okay, metal, go to metal and select this. Add this body, it's already selected, no problem. Again select here, metal. Now this time select this and create here. Okay, done, and close. You can see how to create simply LED bulb in Fusion 360. Now save this. I hope you like this. Please follow, subscribe my channel and comment below which you want. And if you have any question about this, today we learn how to use Fusion 360, Autodesk Fusion 360 and its different commands, copy, move and etc. I already told. Okay, thanks to be here. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.